Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can download invoice from the Shane. So if you need an invoice, what you will need to do is go to the top right corner and where it says customer service, click on that one, and here type just message invoice and click enter, and it will say it sounds like you want to ask about how to download an invoice. Simply click the options below yes or no to continue. So basically click yes. And may I know what you need the invoice for? So I need an invoice used for reimbursement, and I need a voice used for custom clearance. So choose one of that and you will be able to download a invoice. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one. Happy shopping.